Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. It's a girl Z phase. I'm just going to jump right in to start wiping my got to be spray. I just finished installing my hair. Then I'm going into my Focalure Perfect Face Matte Primer, and I'm just going to make a few pumps. Oops, sorry, that didn't work. I'm just going to take that out using the underpart of my brush. So this primer, I'm going to talk about this primer for a bit. If you have dry skin, this primer is perfect for you, or if you're doing your makeup during dry weather, because this primer is actually matte but it leaves your face really moisturized. Okay, you guys see that? I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my face. So this primer is perfect for dry skin, and maybe when you're doing your makeup during the dry season or dry weather, this primer is best. Okay, it just has these two feelings, like leaves your face matte and moisturized. So I'm just going ahead to massage that onto my face. So guys, I just thought for a minute you guys might wonder what is happening down my neck. Okay, you guys must see the dark spots and the dryness going on around there. So this is the green grasshopper season, and there's this insect that always comes when this green grasshopper season just arrives. Okay, and where I come from, we call it Krichi. Okay, I don't know the English name. If you know the English name, let me know in the comment section down below. So these insects just urinate on you, and your skin just start getting irritated, and that's what's happening to my skin right now. So for foundation, I'll be using my V Beauty foundation and my Superstay foundation. I'm using these two foundations because my Superstay foundation is an oily foundation, and my V Beauty is a I would say medium matte foundation. It is not really or totally matte. So I'm mixing these two foundations because I don't want my skin to be too dry, and I don't want my skin to be too oily, because your skin is dry and you also want your face to be matte. Okay, if you guys understand what I mean. So mixing these two foundations is just going to balance everything up. Okay, if you're working with dry skin or you're doing your makeup during the dry weather, you can mix a matte foundation with an oily foundation or a moisturizing foundation. So I'm going into my arty brush to just blend in all that I have on my face. So you guys know I never miss the beauty blender step. Okay, this increases the coverage of your foundation and also just makes the foundation to sit on your face properly. So you should do this after using the brush. Okay, this is very, very important. So to highlight, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Cool Tan. I'm just going to be mixing these two shades together. As you guys know, this LA Girl Pro Concealer, it doesn't dry off. Like, it's not a totally matte concealer like the Blend and Brow concealer and the exclusive concealer you always see in my previous videos. Okay, so I would say the LA Girl Pro Concealer, it's probably a moisturizing concealer, or the concealer doesn't just dry off as other concealers will do. So it's perfect for dry skin and makeup in dry weather. So I'm going ahead into my beauty blender to just blend out the concealer that I have. This is not new. Okay, So after blending all the highlight that I have on my face, I'm going to go into my compact powder from Zaron, and I'm just going to go ahead and press that under my eyes just to make my makeup stay longer and to make the under part of my eyes look somehow brighter. Then for setting powder, I'll be using my Helen C setting powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set all the areas that I highlighted, doing the normal routine. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that setting powder into my skin. Okay, then after that I'll use my Issa and Joe's contour powder to just contour and then blend out the contour. You guys know the drill. So guys, I went ahead to do my brows off camera. Right now I am prepping my brows using my concealer. I'm just going ahead to place that all over my lid space, okay, and blend that out using my eyeshadow blending brush. So after blending all of that, I'll go into my Lady Flora eyeshadow palette and I'll use this Ox Block color, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that onto the contour area of my eyes using this flat small brush. So I'm going ahead to move that color a little bit towards my crease or into my crease, okay, using the same brush. All right, then to blend that contour color, I'm going to use this light orange shade and this fluffy small eyeshadow brush to just blend out that harsh contour line. So after blending that color and moving it towards my crease, as you guys see me doing, I'm going to go into this deeper orange and I'm just going to start putting those colors on my eyes, okay, as you see me doing. I'm using the same fluffy brush that I used to blend the contour line. Then I'm going into this cream white color to place that onto my inner tear duct, blending it with the deep orange color that I had on my eyes already, and I'm just going ahead to blend in the colors. Just so after blending all of that and it looks neat, I'm going to go back into my contour color and pack that onto that area because I felt like I was losing my contour color. And then after that, I'll go right ahead into lining my eyes using my Karité matte liner. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to put my Blossom bronzer onto my inner tear duct, my brow bone area. Go ahead to apply blush onto my cheeks. I'm just using the very orange color that I use on my eyes as my blush. Okay, I felt like that was really beautiful. Then I'm lining my waterline using my Million Pauline black gel liner. Then I'm using my contour color to smudge my waterline or the under part of my eyes. Then going ahead to highlight my face using my bronzer, my nose, my brow bone area, and my lips. So moving on to my lips, I'm just going to go ahead and use my brow pencil to line my lips. After lining, I'm just going to blend that liner with my fingers. You don't want to leave your liner looking very harsh. So I wasn't even prepared to do a nude lip today, but you guys already know I love nude lips, so we're going to do a nude lip, guys. So I went ahead to use my V Beauty lipstick in this shade, but I wasn't feeling it, so I went ahead again to use my MN gloss, and then went ahead into my Issa and Do's concealer, placed that all over my lips, blended it all together. So guys, I was really getting teary and I was spoiling my shadow on my inner tear duct, so I went into more of that cream white color just to cover up the tear that I have there. If you look very well, you're going to see that I was almost crying. I don't know why, my eyes are just irritated today. So sprayed my face with my Kiss Beauty spray, went ahead to remove my hair band, and I just went ahead to arrange my wig. Okay, and I'll go ahead to apply my Iman gloss onto my lips because I really felt like these lips weren't glowing enough. So guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have dry skin, let me know as well, and let me know your setbacks, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Messing with my head.